9100 coming back at you. It was really low on fluid. It leveled out now. It should be about 30, 33, 34. So this thing was really, really low for some reason. It's in the green, but just barely in the green. It probably could hold one more can. That can's empty, by the way. And finally, it stopped clicking. It's not clicking, 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 clicking on and off. It finally leveled out, but it should be a little bit more, I think, than what it is. It's in the green, though. Focus. Before it was dropping, you remember, way over here on the low side, then kicking back up. It's starting to level back out. Probably could hold one more can. Now it's dropping again. Probably have to get another can. Alright, talk to you guys later.